To the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. There are two fundamental concepts of time we use when we either plan or perform work on a task. One of them is duration, and the other is effort. The duration is a measure of how long the task will or has taken to complete, measured in some appropriate unit of time, being, for example, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or even years. The effort is a measure of the fully engaged amount of resource time required to complete a given task. A way of talking about this is through the concept of queuing, or waiting time, and touch time. The duration of a task is the sum of all the queuing and touch times. If you have several tasks to complete, you must also consider the added factor of the queuing time between ending one task and starting the next. The effort can never be longer than the duration, but it is often significantly less. Usually, your operating expense is a function of the duration, whereas your customer only receives value for the effort. The higher your ratio of effort to duration, the more productive you are and the less waste your customer pays for. If you want the competitive advantage of higher productivity, pay close attention to the ratio of effort to duration. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.